Hey, now here's how to put it back. So got the white cover. So make sure the two of these go in the hole. That one and the one over there go into here. Once you do that, it should line up. Oh, I think I heard something. Snap in there. Snaps in there. So now line the holes for the white part. Oops. Try these ones right here. Let's put these back. Again, everything has to line up, so before you screw them all the way in, check, see, okay. That should be pretty tight. Not too tight though, just enough. Okay. The thing that fell off right now that you heard fall off was the washer from here. So be careful. See, the washer fell off from here. So there's that. Let me screw that in. You can screw it on with your finger. Once it's all the way you can, just screw it on with the pliers again. And again, pretty tight. So make sure it's pretty tight. Okay, and there's that. Now let's do the screws from here, because I did take off the screws from top. And the ones that are top are the 2 black screws, the small ones. See, if you didn't touch these, you should go back to 0. Careful not to bend them or anything. And don't screw it all the way in. Put that on first before you do. So you got room to, or you got play. So you could make sure it goes in the hole. So it's easier to line up, in other words.